There's such a focus too on young people, especially the lesson of time is money, as illustrated in the old story of the ant and the grasshopper meet in the cold of winter.
Yeah.
So how does Hill want young people to view time?
He says time is the most precious commodity that exists in the world. Once it's gone, it's gone. I have, in my lifetime, said you either spend it or you invest it. If you spend it, it's gone. You watch a half an hour of television, gone. You invest time in writing or reading or preparing or doing something for yourself, then that time is well, quote, spent, but really invested. And Hill focuses on the fact that your time fleets. It goes away very quickly. My dad said, days and weeks go very slowly. Years fly by. Mm-hmm. And so you think about, oh, what happened to remember January?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember that? Remember the New Year's resolutions that you made when you were half in the bag and all right, next year I'm going to be about. No, it doesn't happen that way. Yeah. It happens day by day. And what he says is take advantage of every minute, take advantage of every hour, because if you don't, you think you have all the time in the world. Right. Then the time goes away.